मी भाऊसाहेब सीताराम मारोटे, RBNB College, Srirampur. Today we see the insertion of floral hole. What is insertion of floral hole? You always know about the flowers. Flowers having the four parts or as a four holes. These are the first are the calyx, second are the corolla, third are the androecium, and fourth are the gynoecium. So arrangement of these four rows on the flowers, so it is known as the insertion of floral hole. What type of the arrangement can be seen inside these flowers? That is, first is the hypogynous flower. Hypogynous flower. Second is the perigynous flower. And last is the epigynous flower. If we compare these three flowers, what is the hypogynous, what is the perigynous, what is the epigynous flowers? If see the meaning of this hypogynous, hypo means below, and gynous means gynoecium. What is meant by below the gynoecium? That is the remaining floral holes, which are these calyx, corolla and androecium. These are the remaining floral holes are arises below the gynoecium. This flower is known as the hypogynous flower. If we see here, what type of the arrangement of these flowers can be seen? So these are the cup shaped or as a saucer shaped or concave or as a convex type of the thalamus are seen. On this thalamus, these are the central part. This central part is known as the gynoecium. Upper part of this gynoecium is stigma. Then long and elongated fiber like portion, these are the style, and the basal solan part, these are the ovary. So see the what type of the arrangement can be seen here. So basal lower part of these are the calyx, they will be arises below the gynoecium. Second holes are the corolla, they are arises below the gynoecium. And third and important hole, these are the reproductive hole, these are the androecium, they are also arises below the gynoecium. Meaning of that is the calyx, corolla, androecium. These three holes are arises below the gynoecium. This type of the arrangement or as the insertion of floral holes is known as the hypogynous flower. In this hypogynous flower, if see, that is the ovary, because remaining three floral holes, calyx, corolla, androecium, are arises below the gynoecium. So this type of the ovary is known as the superior ovary. This ovary is a superior ovary and it arises like of the G and bar below the bar. So these flowers is known as the hypogynous flower. Next, insertion of the floral hole. These are the perigynous. What is meant by peri? Peri means that is the central part of the ovary. Peri means that is the central part of the ovary. One remaining, see here, that is the example of the hypogynous. These are the hibiscus flower. These are the hibiscus flower. Then we should see the next point, that is the insertion of the floral hole. These are the perigynous. What is meant by peri? Peri means half. Where half? That is the remaining floral hole. Which are these? That is the calyx, corolla, androecium are arises to the middle of the ovary. So these are the gynoecium, middle part, lower portion. These are the lower portion, these are the thalamus, these are having the peduncle or as a rachis, these are the pedicel or as a peduncle, these are the thalamus. So these peduncle as well as rachis, they forms cup-like structure. This thalamus forms a cup-like structure. They come above the middle of the gynoecium. On this middle portion of this gynoecium arises these are here are the calyx, here are the corolla, here are the androecium. So these remaining floral holes are arranged to the middle of this gynoecium. This type of the arrangement of this flower is known as the perigynous flowers. So flowers that is ovary are half superior as well as half inferior. as a best example of it, that is the rose. Then remaining third part, or is a third insertion or a third floral hole, these are the epigynous. What is meant by epi? Epi means above. Epi means above. Gynous means gynoecium. What above the gynoecium? Remaining floral hole. Which are these remaining floral holes? These are the calyx, corolla, androecium. These remaining floral holes are arises to the tip portion of the ovary, meaning of that here these are the ovary, these are the stigma, lower portion, these are the lower portion of the ovary, stigma, style and ovary, it looks like as a, these are the flower, these are the thalamus, these are the peduncle. So these, what is meant by epigynous flower? Remaining floral, which are these remaining floral? Here are the calyx, both sides it will be seen, here are the corolla, it looks like as a, and central part, these are the androecium, these are the calyx, here are the corolla, and central part are the androecium. Below these, the ovary can be produced. For it, best example, that is the cucumber, guava, Peru, cucumber, these are the best example for it. So, in these, that is below the or lower part, they contain the ovary. Here on this, that is apical portion of this ovary. Remaining three floral holes, calyx, corolla and androecium, are arises to the upper portion of the ovary. This type of the flower is known as the epigynous flower. So these flowers are the these flowers having the inferior ovary. This flower having the inferior ovary, and it indicates like of the bar to the above. So best example for it, that is guava, cucumber, probably found in this like of the arrangement. So if we see the insertion of floral holes, so arrangement of calyx, corolla, androecium below, middle or is above the gynoecium. So they are having again three types. First is the hypogynous flower, perigynous flower and epigynous flower. In hypogynous flowers, that is floral holes. In hypogynous flower, floral holes will be arises to the lower portion. In perigynous flowers, the floral hole arises to the middle portion, and epigynous flowers, the floral holes are arises to the below the gynoecium. So this type of the flower is epigynous, hypogynous and perigynous. So it is known as the insertion of floral holes. Thank you.